Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today is one of those, I'm going to be planting something that makes me extremely anxious, just like with the rose, the climbing rose planting, because I don't want to have to move this. I don't want it to not work out and be beautiful. So I'm nervous about planting it, and this is just one of those, I'm just going to do it. And if it has to be moved or fixed or whatever, then that we'll just deal with it. But today I'm going to be planting one of my banana trees. I believe this banana is hardy. I got it last year from Facebook Marketplace, and they grew so well in pots, and I just think they would be so much more beautiful and get so much more bigger in ground with more space to grow. So right here is where I'm actually going to plant my banana, like right where this pole is. And then I also have two new plants that I'm going to plant just in front of that, kind of like on I. So the banana will be here, and then the new plants will be like here in the front and here in the front. And then I might even pop some cannas in this way as well. Just kind of paying attention to what's already planted in that bed. I don't really want to dig up anything that's already there. I want to leave it in and have it look pretty, but I think putting the banana there will be so beautiful. It's bright green, big leaves. Yeah, it'll be okay. I'm sure it'll be okay. So I have two potted bananas, one right here, this is it. And then there's another one a little bit farther over. It is struggling. So I'm not gonna plant that one today. I'm gonna see if I can rehab it, or I might just plant it in another spot. There is a baby growing. So I'm thinking maybe the main stem, the mother plant, has died off, and then like the babies are still going. So there is a new baby, so there is life there, but this other big one is putting new leaves out of the main stem. So that one's gonna get planted today. My only other thing is I don't have any fertilizer right now to put in the hole when I plant it. So I might come back later on after I get some and then fertilize it at the top of the soil. That's the only other thing. And then I do have another fertilizer that is water soluble, so I just add it to my pump and then fertilize that way, so it'll be fine. You don't always have to put fertilizer in the hole. It's just nice to have something there, especially if you've got potted plants that you're buying from like the greenhouses and stuff like that. Like they're already like have the fertilizer granules, or those little balls in there of fertilizer, so you don't necessarily need to add more fertilizer that first year, but the second year definitely fertilize around your plants. Anyways, this is not a fertilizer video, so let's go ahead and start clearing some space and plant this banana in, and then plant my two new plants in, which I need to show you right now. Wait, I almost forgot. So these two right here are my golden ray big leaf ligularia. So let me show you in a different way. So here they are. I just picked these two up from a nursery here in Ohio called Oakland Nursery. And this is big leaf. Come on. Golden ray. Othello. Is that Othello? Yeah, Othello. Come on. It does not want to focus for me. There we go. There we are. It can get pretty tall. And it's hardy down to zone 4. So these two will be planted on either side of the bananas. And I think they're gonna look really good there. They're gonna be able to get as big as they want to get, and I think they'll be really pretty. See how dark this new leaf is? Like, that is gorgeous. And then it starts to lighten up as it ages. Beautiful. I love the leaf shape. Look at that. And it's big too. Alright, so let's get started. So the bed is an absolute wreck right now. I've got a lot of cleaning up to do in there and then dig my hole, but I think I might just dig the hole and then clean up later. We've got a lot of ferns in the front that need to be moved, and then some other things that need to be cut back that are no longer blooming. So it's in. I had to remove some soil, kind of break up the root ball a little bit, but it's in there. Now I'm gonna backfill and I think it will look good. Whew, look at that. It's gonna be so pretty right there. So I am done. There's one of the ligularias. There's the other. There's the banana. It was very strenuous to plant and pull out all of that stuff. The ferns, I'll probably replant someplace else or give them away. They are very much like weeds, and every year you'll get about 100 more than you thought you had. So I'm all done, It looks amazing. I think it's gonna be so pretty. I don't know if I'll plant some cannas next to it, but if I did, I'd put cannas here. I just have that red bud there, and I don't want it to get any shade. I don't want it to get shaded and crowded out by everything. So it's super bright right now, so I'm sorry about the lighting, but I think this is gonna be so pretty. And this area is on drip, but I think I will bring the hose out here later today. It is so hot right now, and it's so early too, but I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. All right guys, let me know what you think about that planting, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.